They say that the Nigeria Army, they say they don't go for street to go. They play music. They happy. Say they don't capture the place where they call Osrumogho from Biafra Liberation Army. Oh, be smart, you know. Now they come they talk say that make people wait there for that area not do anything concerning Biafra or say Biafra na evil. Now come they ask if Biafra where they call Biafra na evil. They don't know say people where they around that place now they be even Biafra because Biafra is a name of a country, not even say one individual name be the Biafra we would they talk about. But however, as that one they happen, they say that one of our brother we be like say miss small road where they for South Africa don't call say abeg go mona help her make him find him family again for we go play the video make you watch. As that one they happen again, they say that as it they be now, those people will say now then they supply food give the whole Nigeria. They say now they don't become food this everywhere where food dey now for if you get warehouse where food dey inside I bet may put am better queue because they say that the Hausas and the Fulanis go chop your food though. No be small things are happening. However, let's go and check how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. See they here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. Let's quickly jump inside the matter where we get for our hand today. They say one viral video where they show for internet they for everywhere now with the talk say the Nigeria Army don't come outside, come they dance, they jolly. They tell people where they for place where they call. So say me they no worry, say they don't take over everything where they send and then they in charge now. I can say where this one they happen. But however, we go play the video may we watch before we go come back and continue. Yeah, my people, welcome back. Oh, don't be smart and say you don't see them. You get some things where they write for that flyer. Why I want read that for you. May you see you. He say IPOB the injure. His IPOB is evil. Say may they stop fighting. Say together that we will stand. And say if they divide, and I be say no good though. However, my people, when I don't see them. So as na onye merie na person wey they don't win, him go dey look for sand wey him go pick, wey him go throw. Na this thing be this one. So if there is any way there should be peace, not this way. The main person wey suppose dey talk, which is Nnamdi Kanu, how to be released first. But since you people decided it's this way by printing this thing, you are wasting more resources printing. People will look at it and overlook it. They will even use it to clean their nyash and pass, because this is not the right way to make peace or the right way to even show anything. But however, the people have taken their own path, but they want their own nation, that nothing is working. So it's not you people in a position that all this nonsense printing flyer showing. No, this is not the right way. The right way should release Nnamdi Kanu, dialogue with Nnamdi Kanu. If Nnamdi Kanu come to take Biafras, we look at what we resolve. If the people say yes, fine. If people did not say yes, okay, let it be it. If you say that let everything be for the good of Biafra and they want the own country, if the people fully support the referendum, follow up, what are we waiting for? So all these things can't change anything at all. My people, don't be smart, you know. Let's jump inside South Africa. Go know what they happen for that side. They say one of our brother don't call aside and follow Nigerians where they that place. I beg, may they help him so that he go locate in people again. Let's play the video before we come back and continue.
My family.
Onye Alochukwu ka ọ bụ tinye na-achọ family ya na Alochukwu. But what can it name na have Alochukwu?
I can't remember. I came here when I was a small boy, 6 years old.
6 years.
Yeah. I lost my identity, so sad story.
No one have onye market. But it's not Chinedu.
How did I get my name to be Chinedu? Because my cousin was calling me Chinedu. Now I'm a South African, but I'm looking for my root.
Okay, now
again.
Your father's name?
Mazi Okeke.
Mazi Okeke.
Mazi Okeke from Alochukwu.
From Alochukwu.
Your mother's name? Nkechi. Okeke. But they passed now. They all. You see, now you are speaking a very deep Igbo. That's why I'm looking for my people.
So are Igbo? So
impact. They can't speak Igbo. My people, they're speaking English because they are busy with South African girls.
Man, in an Igbo, better in an Igbo.
You don't really call your number. Call your number so that you enter, so that people will be calling you. If anyone who knows Mazi Okeke from Alochukwu,
will call you.
And the family of Mazi Okeke from Alochukwu, and family of your mother's name Nkechi Okeke from Alochukwu, so that they will contact you. Put the number now. When they call you, you know how to call it.
Call the number. Call your number.
072 234 1773.
Come back. Repeat it again.
072 234 1773.
Dalo. By that, I will on Abia State.
On a macro.
On a macro. Then are 4 ways.
On a
Okay.
Mazi Okeke family from Alochukwu.
From Alochukwu.
Nkechi Okeke from Alochukwu. That contact is here.
This man.
Okechukwu. Your name is what? Chinedu. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, please share this video so that at least in family go fit no say instead day and if we go find and go. Okay, my people, now so it be as that one they happen, they say that the Hausas and the Yorubas, I say Yoruba they Lagos self. This one they happen for Abuja. Hausa and the Funani, they say for inside Abuja na every food, anywhere when they na food, may they bring and may they chop up. Let's play this video before we come back and continue.
You can see it happening live in Abuja. It's happening in a zoo country. The federal territory. Bros, leave open. Now government property, okay? Leave open. This is government property. Our property. I've been kept in a warehouse for months. See it happening live in Abuja. It's happening live. This country is happening live. You can see with your eye. It's happening live. In FCTA, Abuja, Federal Territory, it's happening live. Masses are hungry, and these people kept this kind of thing in the warehouse for months. This country is wicked. The leaders of this country, they are heartless. This most useless country I have never seen in my life. See it happening live in FCTA, Abuja, Gwagwa Tasha 2, Gwagwa Tasha 1 at Panteka. It is happening live. Our people are wicked. Our people are wicked. The government are wicked. It's happening live. Of rights. I've been kept in a warehouse for months. See it happening live in Abuja.
My wonderful people, no be small thing o. As you don't watch am, na so you be. I beg, may you share this video and make sure say they follow this page for more updates as you dey hot. Remember, say we still dey here. They bring your bread. I bet me let us know what you think for these people where they go they carry food, and let us what you think for Nigeria Army where they come outside say they don't make peace for a quarter to side, and they Osrumogho now is in peace according to them. May you still let us what you think for this our brother where they find people. If you get any information where if you pass for them, may you do immediately. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next.